Hey everyone, welcome back to Megaverse Builds. Today we are back at Spotify Camp Nou with massive progress across the stadium. And the compression ring has officially crossed the halfway mark. Let's get straight into it. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future Camp Nou updates. We're starting in the diamond zone, where the biggest visual progress on site continues to happen. The largest diamond structure keeps advancing fast, with rebar, columns, and floor support elements becoming clearer by the day. Right next to it, the central diamond has hit a milestone of its own. Column formwork is fully in place, and concrete pouring has officially begun. Crews are completing new structural sections almost daily here, making this one of the most recognizable parts of the stadium. Now to the headline update. The compression ring has officially passed the 50% mark. After the recent milestone segment was locked in, more phalange boxes are already staged for lifting. Crews are advancing from South Goal toward Tribuna, and the pace should only pick up now that the team has experience from the first half. Tied into this same milestone, North Goal has received a brand new riostra as part of the compression ring system. This piece plays a key role distributing roof loads across the structure, and its installation confirms the ring is moving exactly on schedule toward Tribuna. North Goal is also showing real visual transformation, with several louver sections already receiving their final exterior finish. The next phase will extend louver coverage beneath the first terrace. Anchor bolt and louver bracket support work also continues at the North Goal corner, with fixing points laid out across the floor and structural edges to guide the upcoming installation. Cranes remain active moving material into position as this section finishes prep ahead of full louver coverage. Back at South Goal, support structures for the louvers are now installed across several cores, with some sections still waiting on final cladding. Portions of the decorative facade here are already complete, adding real color and identity to this side of the stadium for the first time. Nearby, the final corner stand continues developing steadily behind the scenes, with crews working within the structural framework, even though external movement looks limited from outside. On the second cantilever level, multiple elevated platforms remain active beneath the seating structure, with crews focused on finishing tasks and structural detailing despite the heat. Interior sections in this stretch are also seeing quiet but active progress, with detailed installation work continuing just out of view from the outside. Over at Tribuna, facade preparation is becoming clearly visible, with louver bracket supports now installed and ready for the louvers themselves. Underground utility work continues around this side too, alongside earthworks near the future Barça megastore, preparing the ground for future access routes. So, to wrap up, the compression ring smashing past the halfway point and the diamond zone's continued concrete progress were the two biggest stories today. With North Goal's new riostra, South Goal's louver progress, and Tribuna pushing facade prep forward, every sector keeps moving at full scale. If you enjoyed today's update, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Camp Nou construction coverage. There is still so much to come at this stadium. Thank you for watching, and as always, Visca el Barça.